This video, I will show you how to check if someone is spying on your iPhone. A few simple things that you can do right now to see if that's happening. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you don't have the orange microphone just like I have right here when I'm recording. It's right above the clock. As you can see, if you have it, your microphone is used, someone is spying on you. Next thing you want to do is open up your phone and just type in star hashtag 21 hashtag call. So what this will do is you see different options that you want to make sure all of them are disabled. As you can see, settings, interrogation succeeded, disabled, interrogation, data calling for whatever, all of these have to be disabled. If they're enabled, you're in trouble. Then what you want to do is go ahead and open up your settings. You want to go down to the apps section right here, and from here you actually want to go on phone. So you want to find phone, which is phone. You want to open it up, and what you want to do is go down, and you want to click on other device forwarding, where it should be right here. You want to make sure you know all of these devices, and call forwarding, you want to make sure that's off. And that's basically it. The next thing you want to do is go back. You want to click on messages, which should be up. You want to go on messages, and you want to make sure that when you go down, you want to go to send as text, keeps messages, send low quality messages for business, screen unknown sender shared with you, share name and phone number, iMessages, send and receive. You want to make sure this is okay. And yeah, that's basically what you want to check for setting for messages. Then you want to go back and you want to go to privacy and security, which is right here. Here it should be in here. You want to click there, and you want to click on location services, and you want to make sure none of these apps that have an arrow are weird. If it's a weird app, make sure you click on it and click on never. The next thing you want to do is go over to your battery, and on the battery you want to make sure that there's no weird app that's using too much information. If it is, you want to click on it, and you want to find if this app is using your microphones. You want to go to apps, and you can do this for all weird apps. For example, Binance, does it need my microphone? No. So you want to have camera and microphone off, obviously, just like that. And you want to do that for every other app as well. Make sure you give this video with a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below which country are you watching this video from. See you next video.